Here we have number 6. You're going to describe the transformation of the parent function of f of x equals to x squared, represented by this g of x. So please understand what you need is the letters. So here it looks like there is an h of 4, and then there is a k of 6. So the h of 4, this part means left 4 units. And that 6 means this is up 6 units. Here it looks like there is an a is equal to -1, and then there is a k of equals to -5. A equals to -1 means a reflection across the x-axis, and then the k equals to -5 means down 5 units. Next we have for 3, a equals to 2. Then looks like this is h is equal to 1. The a equals to 2, this part is a vertical stretch. Also, you can see this as it getting taller by 2. H is equal to 1. This means right 1 unit. Oh, that means I'm wrong here. This is actually right 4 units, because you see how it's positive. This is right. It is when it is a positive h. Left, it is a negative h. So that's the mistake there. Okay, here you have a equals to 1/3. This looks like it is a vertical compression of 1/3. And then looks like this is a k of 2. This means it is up 2 units. There you go. Make sure you label the letters. Then from there, it gives you a description of the transformation.